Hi everyone, I am Dinakar. I am from Andhra Pradesh. I had graduated from ATS Rajpet in the stream of Electrical and Electronics Engineering, and I had joined Jspiders in the month of April. Recently, I just got placed in Tech Mahindra with a package of 3.25 LPA, and what I want to thank all the faculty members who given me such an enormous skills. My Java class are taken by Anupama and Akshay sir, and my SQL class are taken by Chandralekha ma'am, and my web technologies are taken by Sumani sir. I want to thank all of them for giving me those skills that are very much important for my career and for the interview also. And HRs had added me for three requirements. Out of them, two had been scheduled, and in those two, I just got placed in Tech Mahindra, and I am waiting for the other one. And my joining is on 26th September, and I am really excited to join there and start my new career. Thank you, all the faculties and HRs of Jspiders Hebbal. They really helped me a lot in gaining my skills that so that I can perform really well in interviews.